North Shore owned and operated Goodbee Plumbing provides residents and businesses of St. Tammany Parish, along with Hammond and Ponchatoula, with quality plumbing services at reasonable prices. From drain cleaning and plumbing repairs to remodels and gas inspections, you can rely on our experienced plumbers. All of our work is guaranteed for your peace of mind. Don't trust your plumbing needs to anybody else. Contact Goodbee Plumbing today by calling 985-893-1883 in Covington, 985-641-7422 in Slidell, or 985-350-1411 in Hammond and Ponchatoula. Or visit us online at goodbeeplumbinginc.com for more information. So give us a buzz today. And remember, we clean your drains, not your wallet.